No matter where you are or where you go or who you meet, always try to make everything and every person a little better than you got there. Just do that. If you can do at least that, you'll be okay. Even if you have no money, no job, no place to live.
I can't forgive you. Only God can do that.
It's a little bit better than when you got there. Feel good about yourself.
Look at me, wretchedly, but you look me in the eye. You'll see every but you never see a lie. I watch all I need for privilege, empty feeble hands. My best friend was my daughter. Now she don't even know who I am. So in my sorrow, in my torment, in my bottle where I hide, sold my body to the devil. But I fought back my heart and my spine. I see angels, I see demons, but it cost my peace of mind. My best days are behind me. I was strong when I was blind.
The sun is coming up and some flies are running low. Entangled broken hearts, still I'm wrapped you head to toe.
Fucking meth addict.
Sweet tea, something that I'd never let you go. You were everything I wanted, but supplies are out of low.
Call me convict, call me beggar, call me jukebox, call me scum, call me anything that you want to. Just remember where I'm from. Call me Johnny if I'm slipping. Call me yours if I'm your man. Call me father like my kids did. Call me coward, 'cause I ran. Call me just the perfect insult to project your pain on me. I got more than you can handle and a long eternity.
The sun is coming up and some flies are running low. Entangled broken hearts, still I'm wrapped you head to toe. I was sweet tea, something that I'd never let you go. You were everything I wanted, but supplies are out of low. The sun is coming up and some flies are running low. Entangled broken hearts, still I'm wrapped you head to toe. I was sweet tea, something that I'd never let you go. You were everything I wanted, but supplies are out of low.
I'm not necessarily drawn to hurt souls at this point.
Always try to make everything and every person a little better than when you got there.
I can't forgive you. Only God can do that.
My dad always raised us kids, all of us, to no matter where you are or where you go, always try to make everything and every person a little better than when you got there. If you can do at least that, you'll be okay. Even if you have no money, no job, no place to live, then you should feel good about yourself. So I've always felt that way. It was like hardwired into me.
Yeah, I make it better. I make it better. I make it yeah. Make it better. Yeah. Make it better. Yeah. I make it better.